Embattled Congressman Duncan Hunter will be back in court tomorrow. He is facing charges of misappropriating campaign finance funds and is accused of using that money for multiple affairs. 10 News reporter Cassie Carlisle has the details and evidence in the court filings.
In tomorrow's motions hearing, the judge will rule if several of Hunter's charges will be dropped, whether his wife will be able to make statements in the case, among other things. Protesters swarmed Congressman Duncan Hunter on his way out of court July 1st. Since then, court filings show alleged campaign financing funds went to more than just a plane ticket for the family's pet rabbit. Documents say hundreds of thousands of dollars went to, quote, satisfy his desire for intimacy. The campaign-funded affairs allegedly started in April of 2019 with a lobbyist, soon after he was elected. The filing calls her Individual 14. The congressman moved in with her in Washington, D.C. In January 2010, Hunter allegedly spent more than $1,000 for the couple's trip to a Hyatt in Lake Tahoe. That relationship ended in April of 2012. But later that year, Hunter reportedly found a new mistress at the Republican National Convention in Tampa. Individual 15 worked for a fellow representative. Prosecutors say Hunter began sleeping at her place regularly, documenting trips using Uber ride records. Then in January of 2015, they say Hunter began a relationship with one of his own office workers. He took her, identified in documents as Individual 16, along with his high school-aged relative and some friends, out for pizza. That tab, $352 donated dollars. In October of 2015, Hunter began seeing Individual 17, another lobbyist who organized events for him. On October 27th, the two went back to her home where they engaged in, quote, intimate personal activities unrelated to Hunter's congressional campaign. The documents chronicle one last relationship with a lobbyist in September of 2016. If Hunter is convicted, it doesn't mean that he will be removed from his seat. He would actually have to be voted out by a 2/3 vote in the House. Reporting in the newsroom, Cassie Carlisle, 10 News.